Thank you very much, Doc, for the training.
I just have very two questions.
For the coffees, what is the age bracket from the young ones
They can take
coffee?
this one.
Again, I will be honest to all of you. I've read about different articles about coffee. It's only meant for 18 years old and above.
18 years and above.
Selon toutes les études qui ont été faites, le café est toujours mieux pour les personnes.
So anybody below 18 is not advisable you
You
take
take coffee.
Don't give coffee to kids below 18.
Ne donnez pas du café aux,
Okay.
aux gens de
Okay,
moins
thank
de
you.
18.
The second one,
Because of the resveratrol in
Restore life.
Restore Life.
24/7.
yes,
all right.
Restore Life is 24/7. I want to ask, someone has an injury, is it advisable he takes C247 Restore Life? Is it advisable? I know it's complete, you can take that, but I want to ask him, is it okay to take C247 or Restore Life if you have an injury, sir?
Brother, can you please interpret before I answer?
Okay. The question was,
There's an injury, can they take resveratrol like Restore Life or C247?
ok, est-ce qu'une personne qui a une plaie peut utiliser les resveratrol contenus dans les C24 et les Restore Life?
That's a very good question. If someone suffered from an injury, wound, bruising, okay, the answer is of course no. We give complete. Because
Pour
why?
une personne qui a la plaie, les C24 et les Restore Life, ce n'est pas bon. Donnez-leur plutôt les complètes.
Because remember that resveratrol has a blunting effect.
Parce que rappelez-vous que les resveratrol a un effet de faire circuler le sang rapidement.
It might worsen the bleeding.
Ça peut encore rendre la plaie saignante.
So initially, we give complete phytoenergizer.
Et précisément, on doit leur donner du complète.
So remember this.
Rappelez-vous
Once
ceci.
a client of yours suffers from an injury,
Une fois votre client souffre
if they're already adult to
d'une
eat,
plaie,
the products we will recommend will be what? Complete,
les produits que nous recommandons, c'est les complètes.
Supreme,
Les C suprêmes,
D-Supreme,
2 suprêmes
iGlow 24/7,
et les High Glow
And-
24/7.
this one.
Et
Pardon.
le Valium.
Okay, thank you, sir. All right, just
Thanks.
the last question. A woman with fibroid, has fibroid, yes, which of the supplements is advisable to recommend for them? Because most times we have a situation where we have, the C247 will have, is it complete and all of that, and that is one. And there's another point when we don't have complete, we don't have C247, there's this misconception, I don't know how factual it is, they can combine Restore Life and C247 together, sorry, complete together to get C247. I don't know if you get that, sir.
Correct me if I'm right. When you talk about fibroid, are we talking about the tumor on the uterus of the ladies?
Yes, please, sir.
Okay. That's what we call as myoma here in the
Le
Philippines.
myome.
Okay, myoma.
Yes.
Now, as long as we are dealing with problems of the reproductive organs,
Aussi longtemps que nous avons un problème au niveau reproducteur chez les femmes,
that includes your breast,
et incluant les seins,
your ovary,
les ovaires,
the womb or the uterus,
et aussi le bas-ventre,
the ones I always suggest is complete.
toujours le produit qui est suggéré, c'est le complete.
Like what I mentioned earlier, we will not give resveratrol because of the so-called phytoestrogenic effect that might worsen the condition.
Okay.
We go for complete. Complete, C-Supreme is also good. Those are the two.
Parce qu'il y a toujours un effet, lorsque vous utilisez à ce problème-là, le C24, ça peut encore créer encore un autre problème. Donc ça peut alourdir le problème. Alors voilà pourquoi il faut toujours aller avec les complètes.
All right. So the other question you haven't answered that for me. In the absence of C247, there's this misconception that when you take complete and Restore Life, it's like you're taking C247. How factual is that?
Yes.
Remember this. Thank you very much for the question. In other countries, sometimes we lack C24/7.
Sa question était que souvent on manque les C24 par 7. Et il y a